Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily make this low cut afro wig. I'm going to show you guys everything, starting from the ventilation, the crocheting, and then the installation. I'm going to show you guys everything from A to Z, how you can make it, and as well how you can easily install it without using any gum. You don't need any gum to install this. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. And this is the materials we need. We need our sleeves, we need our venting pin, then we need this wig cap. You can still use the dumb mesh cap too, anyone you prefer. We need our crochet pin, then we need our thread and needle, we need our dummy, and then we need this darling, depending on the one you want, any product you want to. So we need this kinky. I'm making use of color 900. Go ahead and make use of any color of your choice. Alright, so these are the materials we need. The first thing we are going to do is to actually ventilate the frontal. I'm using a 12 by 3 frontal. You can use any size for frontal. You can make use of 13 by 4. You can use 13 by 6 depending on what you want. So I'm making use of the in-between line pattern of ventilation to vent this frontal. You can as well use any pattern of ventilation you prefer. But this is not actually a detailed video on how to ventilate a frontal using kinky and making use of the in-between line pattern of ventilation. I'm still going to upload a video where I made a very detailed tutorial, okay? Because if I should go so detailed in this particular one, then this video is going to be too long and I don't want that. So I just have to vent the frontal like I said. So like I said, you can use any pattern of ventilation you prefer. So this is it when I'm done venting it. Don't worry, I'll still upload the video, very detailed video on how I achieved this from A to Z. So the next thing we are going to do now is to use the wig cap. You can use any wig cap of your choice. You can use the mesh cap, anyone you prefer, but this is the one I'm going to make use of. So I have to place it on my mannequin head like this. Then the next thing is to bring our frontal, okay? First thing here, you have to take note of the center, okay? Use your pin and secure it, and then go ahead and drag both sides, making sure everything is lapping very well, okay? Whether you are using 13 by 4, 13 by 6, any size of frontal you are using, this is the best way to get, so that not when you are done sewing your frontal, it won't be nice at all. But if you follow this step, you will definitely get the best results. So like I make sure that the frontal is lapping very well, okay? Make sure it's lapping very well. Do not actually paying attention to the front side, but pay attention to the back and the side. Make sure that it's lapping very well. And again, if you are doing the low cut wig for yourself or for someone, okay, and the person is close by, it's advisable you measure the person's forehead, so you know the exact, like some person's forehead is not up to 13 inches, some are 12, mine is 12, okay? So that when the person is tall, the frontal, it will be the exact size, okay, of that person's forehead. So this is just how I'm going to sew in the wig, the frontal on the wig cap. Okay, first of all, I go in with my pin from the wig cap to the net, from the net to the wig cap, then I'll start sewing. So from there now, I'll just sew it round, okay? I sew it round. Remember I said you should make sure your frontal is lapping very well. That's the best way to get the best results. Make sure it's lapping very well. So So I'll just go ahead now and sew the frontal round. Okay, then when I'm done sewing it, then we'll move over to the next step. So guys, this is it when I'm done sewing. You see how everything is slapping very well. Now the next thing is to cut our kinky. Okay, I used cutting 6. Okay, I divided the kinky into 2, then cut each of them into 3, making it cutting 6. But for the one I use for ventilation, I use cutting 4. Okay, I use cutting 4 for venting. Then for this one I make use of cutting 6. So I'm going to show you guys 2 ways you can crochet the kinky. Is either you go in like this, then using your crochet pin pick one of the kinky and then you knot it like this. Okay, or you can choose to do this second one. Just crochet the kinky, then use your hand and give it a knot like that. So choose the one you prefer and go ahead and make use of it. So guys, like I said, I'm going to show you guys everything. I'll show you guys how to vent it, even though it's not a very detailed tutorial how to vent a frontal using in between line, but go ahead and make use of any ventilation pattern you prefer. But if you want to make use of the in between line pattern, then don't worry, I'm going to upload that particular video after this one. Okay, so I'll show you guys everything. I'll show you guys the ventilation process. Now this is the crochet process. Then when we are done, I'll show you guys the trimming process and then the easiest way you can install this. You don't need a gum at all. You don't need a gum. I'm not a fan of using gum to install my wigs because that gum sometimes will rip off your front hair, so I don't like it. I prefer making use of this method I'm going to show you guys. So do not skip this video so I will not miss any important parts. So I've showed you guys 2 ways you can crochet this kinky. So go ahead and make use of any one you prefer and anyone that is comfortable for you. So I'll continue crocheting and please pick little amount of the kinky. Okay, just little. At some point here I have to now cut the kinky into 8. Okay, I divide it into 2, then each of them I cut it into 8 because we are still going to trim this wig out. Okay, so there's no point of making it too long when we are still going to trim them out. So I use cutting 8 for the So I use cutting 6 and cutting 8. You can as well use cutting 8 throughout because we are still going to trim it. Okay, so I'll continue crocheting this till I'm done with the whole place. And please do not give space. Okay, do not give too much gap when you are crocheting. Okay, so guys, if you got into this point and you know you found any value from this video, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please share my videos. Okay, and so this is the wig when I am done crocheting. Okay, this is it when I'm done. Then the next thing now is for us to trim this. Remember, it's a low cut wig, so we are going to trim it, okay, very low. So when you are trimming, please take your time and trim it. Okay, trim it so nicely, making sure all the sides, okay, are equal and well organized, well trimmed. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and trim everything. If you know you have any question, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. Comment on my videos, like my video. Thank you guys for all the comments, all the encouragement, all the shares. I appreciate all of them. If you know you are yet a subscriber to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the family. Okay, here in this channel I share videos on hair ventilation, hair braiding, simple hairs you can do yourself, how you can make your own hairs yourself, how to do braided wigs. I equally train people too. Like I said in my other video, I have a training coming up soon. If you'll be interested in that training, the training is all about everything concerning hair ventilation. Okay, I train people both online and offline, so if you'll be interested, let me know in the comment section. So guys, just take your time and trim this. Okay, take your time and do this. Do a very nice job. This wig is very light, very light. Okay, when you install it, you just feel like you are just carrying your low cut hair, your natural low cut hair. It's very super light, and this is it when I am done with the whole thing. Yeah, the installation process now, guys. I'm going to show you guys the easiest way you can install this. So I'm simply using edge control to lay my front hair like that, because my hair is actually very due. And when I'm done with this, it's just for us to go ahead and install it. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys how I cut off the excess lace, but it's very simple. Use your scissors and trace it just the way the hairline is. Okay, just trace it out. If you look at this now, you see how curvy it is, because I just trace it exactly how the hairline is. It's very easy. Use your scissors, take your time and do that. And I'm not going to cut off the wig cap under the lace, because I want this wig to be very tight on my hair. I'm not going to cut it off. So this is me just putting it on, and this is just what we need. We need this cut to be spray gel. That's what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any gum. Like I said, I'm not a fan of gum, because the gum sometimes will rip off your edges. Okay, so I'll just use the spray, the cut to be spray gel, and then I'll place the lace, the frontal side now, the frontal on it, and head it a bit. Okay, then after that I have to use the spray again now and spray on the front side like that, and then try to place some of the kinky to make sure it's covering the lace part. Okay, when you do it like this, no one will ever know that you are wearing a wig. When I installed this particular wig and I went out, guys, I was telling one girl that this is actually a wig. She was doubting me. She said, no, this is not a wig, this is your hair. You cut your hair low and you spray it. I said no, it's a wig. It was difficult for her to believe me, just to show you how natural it is. So I just have to allow that to stay for like 10 minutes and boom, this is it. Okay, when you use that elastic band on it, allow it to stay for like 10 minutes, then you can remove it. And guys, look at this. Who will know that this thing is a wig? How will you know that this is a wig? Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. I hope you learned something new. If you do, then do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Bye.